bring in foreign forensic auditors. A declaration this evening from one government senator for all to be done to ensure those responsible for the corruption at Petrojam to be held to account. Senator Don Webby says the government must consider foreign help to unearth the truth. He made the comment while addressing the State of the Nation debate on Friday. Dwayne Anderson was there and has this story.
An uncharacteristically strident Don Webby launched a broadside against the government and opposition for coming up short in dealing with issues of crime and corruption. Focusing firstly on the rot at Petrojam, Mr. Webby said he's not satisfied with a mere announcement from the authorities, including the Prime Minister, that a forensic audit will be done. He wants fixed deadlines.
A date for the audit must be clearly set out. Terms of reference must be clearly set out, and the process, timetables and accountabilities must be laid out for the nation.
The businessman turned senator said he's open to the forensic probe being conducted by overseas-based experts.
And if we don't have the expertise, get it from overseas. Get the best international consultants. We must, as a nation, we must leave no stones unturned with this one here.
In addition, he wants all the companies that got contracts from Petrojam without going through the proper tender process to be publicly named. Senator Webby also welcomed the promise from former Energy Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley to repay the funds for his surprise birthday party, and said anyone who benefited similarly should return the funds as well. Turning to crime, specifically the states of emergency that were being used to rein in murders, Mr. Webby said the PNP was wrong to oppose the continuation.
I was shocked because it showed a lack of political unity in fighting the greatest problem in our country since independence.
He therefore wants the parliamentary opposition to rethink its position.
Opposition and the government must meet, right? After the meeting, Mr. President, it is my wish that we return to Parliament to have a debate on the state of emergency. It is also my wish that the state of emergency will be reinstated as soon as possible.
Mr. Webby was making his contribution to the State of the Nation debate in the Senate on Friday. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.